have 2 large potatoes here that I'm just chopping up into smaller pieces. If you don't have 2 large potatoes, then just use 3 small, or medium. And then here I have 3 celeries that I'm just going to chop it up into smaller pieces also. And then here I have some green onions that I'm just going to chop it up. And then here I have some bacons, and I'm just going to cut them up. And then I just kind of like to separate them a little bit just to make it easier to cook with. In the large pot over medium-high heat, I'm going to add in the bacon and then give it a stir and cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. Once the bacons are brown and crispy, remove to a paper-lined plate. In the same pot over medium-high heat with the bacon dripping, I'm going to add in the frozen onions and peppers and also the celery. And then just give it a stir and cook until it's tender, about 3 to 4 minutes. When the veggies are tender, I'm going to sprinkle on some flowers and then just give it a quick stir to combine everything well. And then I'm going to cook this for about a minute. After a minute, I'm going to add in the potatoes and then also the chicken broth. And then you just want to give it a good stir to combine everything well. And then you want to cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes. After a good couple of minutes, I'm going to add in the frozen corns and also some cooked shredded chicken. You can go ahead and use rotisserie chicken to make it quick and easy. And then I'm also going to add in some good old heavy cream. And then I'm also going to add in some garlic powder, some salt and black pepper. And then I'm just going to give another stir to combine everything well. And then you'll want to close with the lid and cook for about 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, you want to remove the lid, and then you want to give another quick stir. And then cook for another additional 4 minutes or until you can pierce a fork through the potatoes. Here is the end result and the best part, the taste test. Now let's dig right on in and see how it is, you guys. Okay. It looks really, really delicious. And I do have some bacon right on top. We get a little bit of everything. Okay, here we go. Cheers. Mmm. 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 You guys, that was so delicious. Everything was perfect. If you guys like to make this recipe, I will have the measurements in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.